Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to have you here today. Today, we are going to be doing a look with 4 out of 6 things from, I have oil on my hand from my primer, but 4 out of the 6 things that I got from my premium box. We're doing a try on of all those things. And let's get started. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. A lot of times, I poo-poo on Ciate. So I'm giving I've tried some Ciate stuff and it's all right. There ain't nothing wrong with it. I get freaking tired of seeing it in my box. Word. So I'm gonna give them another try. With the Royal Edition palette from Ciate, and it is very pretty. It's neutral with a pop of blue and a pop of yellow and some green, but other than that, it's just a regular old neutral palette. So I'll be using this. I'll be using the Kenia Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit, if I can get it out of the sleeve. And it's in a very nice, fake alligator skin kind of thing. And it's got blush and contour and highlight. And that's a mattifying powder. But I like a little bit of glow to my skin. You can see a little bit of glow from my primer. So this is matte, set, highlight, bronzer, dark contour, and contour. And I mostly bronze instead of do a contour, so I'm going to use this. And then from Eloise, we have the Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow palette. Is beautiful packaging, super pretty, and it looks like out of my comfort zone is what it looks like. It looks like that. So I'm going to do a look with these 3 things and see how it goes. So, and this liquid lipstick, which is a pretty neutral color, and it's from Ace Beauté, and the color is Manifest. Manifest. I'm going to manifest these lips and hope it's a liquid matte lipstick with staying powder. Power, not powder. Anyway. And that wasn't to you, that was to me flubbing words. I would never give you a raspberry without you deserving it. So we're going to go into this bronzer here with my bronzing brush. It's got a little kick up. And I'm going to check it out. Oh, she dark. She dark. She much darker than what I'm used to. Oh. She ain't playing. It looks pretty okay blended out, but it's still super dark. I'm gonna get a tissue. Take some of that power away. Look at that. It's so dark. I'm such a fair girl. I go under the chin to give myself less chins. And then I do a little on the forehead to warm my face up. She is dark and spotty. I'm going to get my foundation brush and chisel this out a little bit. All right. It's super pigmented, which in and of itself is not a bad thing. I'm going to try the highlighter also, which is a pretty kind of pinkish glow. It looks pink on my brush. Very dusty. It's got a little pinky gold shimmer. That doesn't look bad. And I heard that shiny highlights are coming back. So that's pretty cool. let's put these brushes up so I have some room to work with, because I have a massive desk that's engulfed in makeup and skincare products. I know it's hard to believe. Maybe one day I'll show you the shame of my desk. But I've got a nice little spot here where I've got it carved out to do my business. Here's my blush brush. I'm going to go into this one because it's not as bright. Swish and swirl. Just for good measure. It's pretty bright. Oh, Lordy. I'm going in as light as I can with this. And it is very colorful. It feels like it's electric on my face compared to the colors I usually use. It doesn't look bad, it's just brighter than I'm used to. I went in real light with it, but these colors I know were going to be like neon on my skin. So that's why I was like, that's nice, that's bearable, that's doable. I don't feel like someone in the 80s trying to get their life on with, you know, some makeup. All right, let's get in here and do a look with this pretty palette, which is called the Royal Edition. It's the Ate of London, just in case you forgot. I'm going to go in with Castle for a nice neutral crease color. And it's just really almost my skin tone, just a little darker. And it's a perfect crease color to get started with any kind of a look. It's kind of like milky coffee, very milky coffee. It looks great. It's going on like a champ, and that is a matte. There's a lot of shimmers, there's a lot of mattes. So, ooh, this blue really is beautiful. It's royal blue, of course, because it's the Royal palette. The Royal Edit. Oh, I was looking for a lot of my brushes, and I forgot that I used some, put them to the side, and didn't clean them. Oops, Rhonda. Use what you have. I still have a ton of brushes, so I don't know what I'm complaining about. I'm going to go into Noble. It's another matte. Very pigmented looking. I'm going on. Yeah, it's very pigmented. I'm blending it in with my corner color, my crease color. That is Noble. It's very pretty. It's kind of a rusty color. And it's not bad. It's not bad looking. I put it down on the outside lid. I'm going to go in with Tiara here, which seems to be the lightest shimmer. Oh, that shimmer is nice. This palette is doing better than I expected it to. I'm blending it out into Noble. That's pretty. I love a bright shimmer on the lid. Now I'm going to go into a deeper color. And I'm going to put some depth on the outside here. I'm trying to decide what color to use. I'm thinking about this green because it is really pretty. Go on with a fluffy brush, softly blowing it off. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look great. It's not terrible. I've got hooded eyes, so every look is a hooded eyes tutorial. Need some blending. I need a fluffy blending brush. And that seems pretty. Now I'm going to use an eyeliner from my stash. And it is the House Labs old formula of their eyeliner. I love it.
What kind of sound is this, baby?
I'm making a video.
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's okay, baby. I'll be with you shortly. I'm almost done. I love you. I have a husband, everybody. He is very thoughtful. He really is thoughtful. He wasn't trying to interrupt. He just had a question. And I didn't have an answer yet, so. Now we're putting on the huge mascara from Stila, which is in the Boxy Drop Shop for $7, and it's really good. It's super good. I love this mascara. All right, now it's time for the lippy. And it's a very neutral color. And it might be a little pale for me, but I'm going to give it a go. I do have a little lip balm on my lips because they were a little dry. But I just want to give this a really good fair shake. Ooh, it is neutral. It's good one coat color. Is this my dream color to work with? No. But it works. So this is it. This is the Ace Beauty Lippy in Manifest. This is the Royal Edition palette from Ciate. This is the Secret Garden palette from Eloise. And then I've got the hard to say Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. Then I think I came out with a really beautiful product for my Boxy Premium. It turned out really well, and I think I look pretty and I feel pretty, so that's pretty awesome. So I will give my things, my components in the box, a thumbs up, and I hope you have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.